In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background to your Word document. For the first method, select Design, then Page Color. Now, here you can apply a basic color of your choice. You can do that through more colors as well. However, what if you want to add a picture as your background? You can do this. Select Fill Effects, then select Picture. Then select your picture. Select where you want the picture to come from. Here's mine, old paper, insert. And then there's a sample of what it's going to look like in your document. When you're happy, select OK. And there you have it. The image is now behind the text. However, the issue with this method is that it's not very customizable. Sometimes you might find the text hard to read because you can't alter the transparency of your image. However, there are ways around this. The second method is using the headers. Double-click the top of your page until this header icon pops up. We're then going to select Pictures. I'm going to select Old Paper again and then click Insert. Now, automatically, it's created quite a few images. I'm just going to resize them until it's only on one page. You can do this really easily. If you just click on Position and just click Center, and then wrap around text, I'm going to select Behind Text. Now I'm going to line it up with the page as best you can. I'm going to drag it until you're happy with it covering all the areas. And then once you're happy with its layout, press Escape on your keyboard. And then now it's far more transparent than it was once before. For the final method, I'm going to use shapes. Click Insert at the top of the ribbon and click Shapes. I'm going to use the rectangle. You're now going to draw the rectangle across your page as best you can. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We can change that later. Select it again. Make sure it says Shape Format at the top. Shape Outline, we're going to click No Outline. Shape Fill, we're going to click that once, then select Picture Fill. Then select where your image is coming from. Click Insert, and now the image has appeared. We now need to make it transparent. Right-click it, click Format Shape, the sidebar will open, select on the paint bucket, make sure Picture and Texture Fill is selected. Now we can alter the transparency here. Once you're satisfied, click the Exit. I'm going to click it once more, click Wrap Text, Behind Text. Now it's selected behind your text. In seconds, you have discovered 3 methods to insert a background into your Word document. If this video has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about backgrounds in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.